How to check time insights on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can check the time insights on Instagram, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to check time insights on Instagram, what you need to do is, first of all, we're not talking about reminders and all those time features and so on, but we're talking about how we can search for a specific time range insights on our Instagram profile. Meaning that you have a professional account, you want to view all the analytics, but you want to view those from a specific date range, not overall, not last 30 days, but you want to view them either by custom date range or maybe the last week, the last month, or the last year. So it depends on what you're really talking about. So first of all, I'll go ahead and just launch the Instagram application over here. And as I launch the Instagram app, I'm just going to come to my professional profile page over here. Then here I'll find the option that says professional dashboard, right? I'll just tap on the professional dashboard button. And as I tap on the professional dashboard option over here, you should be able to see all these sorts of options. And then what you want to do is here you'll find your account insights at the very top. You can see all of this data, the people that you've raised, the number of accounts that you've raised, the age group, their time, and so on. So I'm just going to tap on that. And as I tap on that, you'll be able to see and load all of your insights. Now, by the way, you have a default search filter at the very top, which you can view up to last 30 days, or you can view up to last 7 weeks, past 7 days, and so on. You should be able to do that depending upon the date. Now, you can do this from a specific previous month, and then you can choose a date for yourself. Then just hit the update button here, as you can see over here. Once you do that, just tap on update, and then you should be able to check the time insights accordingly based on those particular updates and whatever thing that you have input on your Instagram account. And that's all it takes to check the time insights on Instagram. Now, other is if you are talking about the reminder breaks. So for that, I'm just going to come back, and then I'm going to come over here, tap on the three lines, go to the option called your activity. Once you come to your activity, you'll be able to see all these sorts of options. Now over here you'll be able to see interactions and so on, and here you'll be able to see time spent. This is the number of time that you have spent on Instagram on a daily average. So in this case, I just open Instagram, so it's just showing the 0 minutes, but if you want, you can set a reminder, you can set a daily time limit or notification settings. Now these are simply two of the things that I can show you. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.